More smelly stuff.
More smelly stuff.
And even more. Oh boy.
And
more
even
smelly stuff. And a free sample of the bombshell. Ooh.
Ooh.
All right, let's put her stuff back before she.
Ooh.
And a ribbon. Whoa. Okay, let's put it back before she catches us, bro. Some trips are about seeing new places, but the best ones remind you just how much you already have. As we soak in these final moments here in Santo Domingo, we're trying to slow down time just a little longer. The laughter, the adventures, the memories we've made together, they're the kind that stay with you long after the bags are unpacked. But every journey has its final chapter, and today, ours leads us back across the Caribbean to the place we call home. As incredible as this week has been, there's something comforting about knowing home is waiting for us. So come along as we say goodbye to Dominican Republic, hold on to these last few moments together, and make our way back to Jamaica. Because sometimes, the greatest part of any adventure is realizing there's truly no place like home. Yep, pop quiz. What do you get when you tell everybody to find us the place to eat? Nobody finds nothing? You get a long walk to freedom. No, we're eating a new place. Dave wants to go back to the same place you already been. What are you, new? Come on, man. We gotta try something new, Dave. Try something new, Dave. We're gonna find something. Come on, Josh. No. Eat it, Josh. You can do it. Eat it, no, Josh? Yeah, I'm watching. You can do it. It's chicken. It's a burrito. It's got vegetables. What? No, there's no onions, Josh. It's cabbage and carrot. You can do it. Come on, Josh. Oh boy, Josh, eat the burrito, bro.
Give me that.
You got this.
Give me that.
There's no onion, dude. Oh my gosh, you're killing me, Josh. Come on.
Josh.
You can't manage it. Give it to Andre. Andre will eat it if you can't manage it.
Give me a piece.
You can do it, Josh. All of it. No, throw it back.
Give me a piece.
Come on, Josh. Oh my God, there's no onion, Josh. Throw it in. One, uno, dos, tres. Yeah, you did it, man. You gotta chew it, Josh. Everybody's watching. You gotta chew it, Josh. You got this. No, keep your chew it, Josh. Put it down. Put it down. You did it. Those are called vegetables, Josh. I knew you could do it. Man, you good? You good? You're good. You're good. Chase it with. Eat some plantain. Eat some plantain. It'll take the taste away. There you go. Yeah, the plantain's good. You can do it. You did it. You're good. You're good. Breathe. Breathe. You got some soda there if you need. It's good. It's good. All right. I'm proud of you. You did it, man. He's not messing around, dude. The kid knows how to eat.
No.
He eats bones like you do, man.
Yes, if he want look them top food them.
Like Josh is taking on the torch. Wow. All right. Is there something different? Is there something? I know. I accepted the. A lot of pigeons are saying hi. What's up, buddy? You good? Well, I had to take the Band-Aid off, get a Santo Domingo haircut. 16 US bucks gets you in, no wait. Get Andre behind you. Andre got dumpling. It's a toy. It's a dumpling. You're gonna see it. It's cute. But yeah, decided it's that time to put some. Well, they put some product in the hair. It'll be washed out soon, I'm sure. But yeah, I found a bigger cup. Dawned on me, my wife's making tea, and I was like, he's fine. Oh, there's bigger cups. We're gonna be okay. Special shout out to the Airbnb owner because they changed their flight time like a couple weeks ago, but it was supposed to be midday, so you check out at 11 and head to the airport, and life is good. And they changed it to now it's like 7 o'clock tonight. So our awesome Airbnb host said, no problem, we can stay until 3 and then head out to the airport. Hey, I told them about your dumpling. You got to bring it out here and show them. Hola. Go wash your face and bring your dumpling. Estoy bien, ¿y tú? We're getting there. Yeah, they had a good time yesterday. We went back to the mall. Hey, you forgot the wash your face part. Yeah, you sure? I mean... Hola. Estoy bien, ¿y tú? Want to show me your dumpling? Yeah, it comes in its own little dumpling pot.
Tyler said he was gonna buy it.
I know. They sell dumplings at the roller rink. Little toys. Look at this thing. Is that not a stress relief or what? And it's soft and squishy, just like a dumpling.
Dumpling and squishy?
Well, if you fry them, I guess they're not. But if you boil them and you make them, that's actually like the container that they make them in. They steam them in.
Yes.
Yeah. You guys, you gotta expand your dumpling palate, dude. But I guess you wanted probably pancakes, not dumplings this morning. No, I'm not buying another one, dude.
Why?
Because we're cut off. We're going home. Oh, yeah. We also got some shoes. You want to show them the shoes?
Yep, I got a Jordan.
Yeah, you should go wash your face and then grab your shoes.
It's in my suitcase.
It's in your suitcase already?
Yep.
Because
We're going away today.
we're going away today, yeah. You ready to go home?
I do want to repack.
What?
I do want to repack.
You don't want to repack? All right, mystery shoes. We'll have to wait.
If I don't want to what?
You don't want to repack? You've got one little suitcase, bro.
If I don't want to go what?
Do you want to go home? You want to stay here?
Stay.
Well, if we play our cards right, we'll be back next year, hopefully.
I don't stay here.
Okay, you stay here. We're going to go.
No.
Oh.
Stay.
You better go talk to Sonia about that. She makes all the rules around here. All right, go talk to her. Go give her the cute Andre charm.
Yes, you say.
She says yes, I'll figure it out.
You say.
She does, yes. If she says yes. Good luck.
We stay.
Good luck. Good luck. That face don't work on me. It might work on her. Yeah, bye. You left your dumplings.
I know I'm going to be back.
Okay. It's got a few more years. But kids are good, man. They bounced and they skated yesterday at the mall again. It was, yeah. They're getting good. They're getting fast. Oh. Not working.
So I say yes.
She said what?
Yes.
What?
She said yes.
Yes, what?
Yes, we got the idea.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, you tell her to go book us another Airbnb.
What?
Go tell her to go book us another Airbnb. Yeah, exactly. You have no idea what that means. You don't know what goes on behind the scenes to make this happen, bro.
Yeah, did say.
Boy.
Yeah.
We're gonna make pancakes.
Daddy said, so I say yes, we asked, yeah, we'll get that Airbnb.
We're gonna make some pancakes.
But
Okay, don't eat your dumplings.
you know what? You're looking for
We'll figure it out.
a baby in a building.
Yeah, show them. Well, if they sit on it long enough, and it's yeah, this is where. Okay, so AC units double as nesting units. Yep, there's some eggs in there, man. You're not lying. All right. Well, speaking of eggs, we gotta make some eggs for breakfast.
No, thank you.
Okay. Pancake and eggs. Okay. All right, we'll figure it out. Okay. You know, I know it's cold in here, Andrea. Because that's a burrito. That's a burrito. Yeah, we had some late night Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Man. Brought some back. The mall, it's amazing what you can get at the mall. But it's not burrito time, it's pancake time.
Look.
That's what?
It's pancake.
Yeah, and that's a burrito. You're gonna wash your face. All right, let's figure this out. All right, sure. Get him. Yeah.
May I eat a lot?
You can eat whatever you want, dude. Or go tell Josh and Junior if you can't eat that much. You got it? Careful. Cool.
Just Junior.
Anybody.
Do you have Myers?
Yes, all of them.
Tyler?
No, Tyler's good.
Junior?
Maybe, yeah, go ask her if she wants some.
That's exactly what you're saying.
Can I eat this one?
Then give it to Sonia. Man, he has a little taco leftovers and suddenly pancakes are too much. What's up, bro? You want some pancakes? Yeah? You ready? You sleep good? Yeah? Alright. These yours? These aren't yours? Are these your pancakes? Okay, well, I hope so. Alright, what do we say?
You?
What do you say in Spanish?
You?
Gracias. Okay, close enough. Find a spot at the table, bro. You're welcome. De nada. Close enough. Got it. Alright, hours and hours of fun. Got it? You good? Alright. Good luck. Don't go crazy. You got it? You know what you're doing? Cool. Careful. Okay, we're on vacation. That's it. There's one more thing. Good luck.
Gracias.
De nada.
I get a marker note.
Let me see a hand check. Other side. Face check. Smile check. Bro, let me see that face check again. Hold on. No smile. Back up the smile. Yeah, what's going on over there, bro?
Bleh.
On your face. Uh-huh. Is it good? All right. Where's the Nana love you check? You got it, Josh? Yeah. Okay. We're on vacation. Yeah. Sure. You're on vacation. That's it? That's it? You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
You see that? Exactly. That's it, bro. No more surfing that. Yeah, walk away.
I gave a steak.
Uh-huh. Got it, bro? Almost. Almost. Nice. Careful. Oh. That's one way how to do it. Good?
I do recommend
I'm just nice.
All right.
Little this.
What do you got, man? Whoa, what are those?
Shoes.
Those are your shoes? You know what kind of shoes those are? Those are Jordans, dude. I'm a real baller now, man. Yeah, I know. It came with a price tag. But, you like them? You're gonna take care of them? I can't hear you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
All right, let's put them back in the bag. We gotta put them in a suitcase.
I'm gonna put it in a suitcase.
We'll put it in the bag first.
More
smelly stuff.
smelly stuff.
And even more. Oh boy.
And
More
even-
smelly stuff. And a free sample of the bombshell. Ooh.
Ooh.
All right, let's put her stuff back before she.
Ooh.
And a ribbon. Whoa. Okay, let's put it back before she catches us, bro. Quick, put it back. Shh. Go. Okay, put it back. Oh, she's coming. Quick. All right, we never saw it. All right, cool. You good? Wow. Yeah, each one of the kids got a pair of shoes. I know. On vacation. Some of you got smelly stuff. Not cheap. What does Tyler get? When we go shopping? You know what Granddad got, dude?
Cherry.
Tyler got
Cherry.
4 t-shirts. $8 a piece. Super cheap. But
I'm guessing.
quality shirts. You want to see them?
Yeah.
Hold on.
No.
Yep. 4 regular, muscle t-shirts. Just what I need. In a variety of colors.
Again, then.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a... Don't show Drina this.
I don't know what you want.
We got a gift for somebody. Wait. It's a phone case. Wow. And a screen protector. All right. She'll still extra price. She'll get this before this video comes out. It's a phone case, bro. Okay.
We get all that thing?
No, you can't. Thank you. Yep.
I don't know which one, Jay.
No, you can't. It's a secret. We're revealing all of our secrets, bro. You gotta...
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Put them back. Oh, what else did Granddad get?
Something. Coffee.
Indian Gourmet, yes. Hard to find whole bean coffee, but we got 2 packs. 100% Cafe Arabica. Some coffee beans. More practical stuff. Ole granola. Because why not? Most practical stuff. This is my new friend. Yeah, in the video, I put like different bottles in, but this is the biggest one I could find. So,
Hello.
hi, yeah, cool. We got olive oil, yeah. And more practical stuff because this stuff is so expensive in Jamaica. For the gains, whey protein. It's complex. It's inspiration. That's what it is. Inspiration. Okay, well, bring him back to life before we leave, okay? Make sure he comes back to life before we leave.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Granddad gets. Yeah, man.
Shoes.
Whoa. Those are fancy, bro. You know what Dave's gonna do? He's gonna take care of them. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're gonna take care of them. Cool. All right, we gotta go find some more shoes. Shoe check. What do we got? Ooh, why do you have Josh's shoes?
No, I'm gonna show you.
Those are fancy, bro. And Josh is gonna take care of them,
I'm
right?
gonna show you my
Mm-hmm. For sure. Yeah. You and your lock. Oh, not to be outdone. Similar but different. Let's see. Okay. Going with the blues. Look, those look like the Jordan, North Carolina versions. Mhm.
The white and
Yeah, how long are those going to stay white? You know what I like about juniors? There's less whites. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Gentlemen, take care of your shoes.
Yeah.
We need to start thinking about packing them up. Yeah.
But
Oh, I know. So bad. Okay. Put your shoes away. Junior. No, Junior. Put it back. Junior. Put it back. Yeah. We're not wearing them right now, man. Put them back. When we get home, we'll go put it back in a suitcase. Whenever you guys are ready. Go put it back in a suitcase, bro.
I won't be ready.
Well, no, you're not. You don't have your shoes in the suitcase.
And then maybe can buy one Air Force.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. We'll see how your behavior is. Let's go. Put them back in the suitcase.
I'm going to tell you what I like and what I didn't like, and my most favorite and my least favorite. So, my most favorite is the mall. We go to the mall, we go on trampolines, go-kart, and roller skating. We went to the zoo. That was pretty fun because I get to see animals that wasn't in Jamaica, such as hippos, rhino. It was very cool, and we went bike riding. That was very fun also. It was a great exercise with the bikes. So my most favorite is the mall. My least favorite is bike riding. So that is it. Good evening, YouTubers. So I'm going to tell you about what I did. So I go to the mall, and the mall was nice because I drive go-kart and I come third and second. And after I go to the roller skating and skate for a while. And then after I meet some friends and I start to hold hands. And then after we go to the car, we go bike riding. And the bike riding was fun because Christopher Columbus used to live in this country. And Christopher Columbus sent the guards to go kill a girl. And I learned about it. This country didn't call DR. And then after we go to the carnival, and my head was hurting me because I go on a ride that make it hurt them. Then after we eat some jerk chicken, then that was our weekend, and today we are going home. See you Tuesday. Bye. And have a nice, good evening, YouTubers. I'm going to tell you what I enjoyed at the DR. So I enjoyed going on the plane. I enjoyed when we got to the airport in Jamaica. We had to take the plane to go to the other airport. We went to Pudakana, but we had to take a bus to go to the right airport. And we made it to the hotel, and then we began to learn a little Spanish, and we got the translator. So I enjoyed the mall when we went on the go-kart. On the go-kart, the first time I came last, and I came last again because the first car I got, the battery died, and after that I got a slower car. And I enjoyed the trampoline, and Tyler got us some water. I enjoyed the trampoline. I did front flip and side flips, and I enjoyed the roller skating. At the roller skating, I bought a dumpling that I showed you guys, and I didn't know how to roller skate at first, but I started to get better. And then when I got better, we were cruising on the roller skate track. After that, we went home, and first we went to the grocery store, and then we went home. That is what I enjoyed at the DR.
I guess it's time to talk about it. So, this was a business trip. I mean, we had a little bit of fun too, but one of the biggest reasons, not biggest reasons, but a supplementary reason for coming on this trip were these. These are 2 iPhone 13s and 2 iPhone 13 Pros that we are using as incentives for the kids' summer learning program. Let me explain. So, if the children get all 4 stickers every day for the entire summer, that's 8 weeks, 6 days a week, that's 48 days, which means that's a lot of stickers. 48 days of full compliance. We use, jargon. That means they are able to get one of these. And got a pretty good deal negotiating wise. It's not an iPhone 17, it's a 13 Pro and regular, 2 of each. That's what they had, with cases and screen protectors and chargers. And while some people may balk at the idea of having such a large prize at the end of the rainbow, I think it's important. It's for them to be motivated, obviously, to pursue excellence. Now, this means they do not miss 1 sticker for 1 day, which means every single day, Monday through Saturday, for the next 7 weeks, because they did 1 and 4 are still in the running. 4 of them survived the first week. That means a mile every day, 6 days a week, a full written paper page every day for 6 days out of the week. Can I excuse the phones? No, I'm not a pillow, bro. I'm talking about the phones right now. Oh, okay. Here's a pillow. Here's a pillow. Yeah, there's a pillow. Okay. Softer than me. Yeah, okay, yeah. Posh travelers. Anyway, so if they miss 1 mile, 1 written paper, 1 10-page of reading, 1 math page, they don't get a phone. Period. And I can go to the market in Jamaica and sell it for much more than what I paid for it. So, kind of a win-win. But looking back on this summer, the idea is that they're pursuing excellence. And excellence means sick or not, rainy day or not, electricity or not, there will be an expectation that you accomplish what you set out to accomplish in order to earn one of these. And I was thinking about, like, when we get to the end of the summer, 7 more weeks, starting Monday, that will mean that they have written 48 pages of handwritten journaling, prompting, etc., etc. They will have read 480 pages of chapter books and filled out a comprehension page. They will have completed 48 pages of math, and they will have ran 48 miles. So, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it to say, here's the prize at the end of the tunnel.
Yes.
Should you want it?
Yes, thank you.
For what? You good?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you just wanted a pillow. And if you fall short, you fall short. And so far, the first week that we had it, it was really cool to see the peer pressure or support, however you choose to word it, and making sure that they get on that treadmill, they run the mile, they get their math page done. And anytime there was any hiccup of any complaints, I'm reminding them, you don't have to do it. You want the prize at the end of the tunnel, then you'll do it. You don't want it? You miss 1 sticker, and it's not going to happen. So I'm looking forward to seeing what happens for the next 7 weeks as we get back to the regularly scheduled program, whatever that is. And I'm looking forward to seeing who's motivated enough to earn themselves a phone and accomplish 48 pages of writing, 480 read text from a chapter book, or more than one, because those chapter books aren't 480 pages, who will have completed 48 pages of math and ran 48 miles. And when they go back to school, and they have that back to school prompt when the teacher tells them, write about what you did this summer. Well, I hope they enjoy writing about their trip to Santo Domingo. I also hope they enjoy writing about the fact that they earned something and they worked hard for it and they completed a large amount of academic and physical tasks in order to get to do that. So these will be in my safekeeping for the next 7 weeks. And I'm excited to see what happens about that. We'll see what happens. 211,000 dear? Oh wait, no, that's 21,000. You guys still got work to do, dear.
21,000.
Yeah, my record. No, that is 200. Wait, let me get. Is that really
Yes.
211,000? Honey. Wow. You've been practicing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm proud of you, dear. I got some work to do. What?
Yeah, flying.
You're sliding?
Look. Fly, look.
Why? Oh, you're flying. You Superman?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. Well, if anybody, guys, if your iPads needs charging, there's a charging station right over there. You might want to think about doing that before we get on the plane. Oh boy, Josh, it's not real, Josh. Arsenal is gonna take it. That's not real, Josh. Not real. No. No.
What I like about my trip to Dominican Republic is going to the mall where you like. And skating
I'm in hotel.
and getting better and better and touring the city and taking the plane, buying shoes and go to the trampoline park to have more fun. Yesterday we went and we eat food and buy things. So that is what I like about the Dominican Republic, and I want to come again and go somewhere.
Go see on there.
have done it. We made it back to Jamaica. Got through customs unscathed. No scares. Glad we brought the letters signed and notarized. That's crazy. That's Phoenix too. That's
I'm clearly crazy.
Josh's car shopping for future Josh.
I got
But
market.
we're gonna find the car and we are gonna start heading home. Yay, Junction Road at night. Okay. Let's go.
Good?
Contractors, they change everything. I closed your eyes. So they really could have this. They also had lots of just